Meanwhile, the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association Nehuta has criticized leaders of the Voice of the People party for meeting Nehu Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla without first consulting the protesting students. Nehuta President Lakhon Kumar described the move as unnecessary. Kumar pointed out that the students felt insulted as they continued their hunger strike, only to have outsiders approach the Vice-Chancellor without engaging with them first. Earlier, Nehu had expressed its strong reservation against outside forces interfering into the internal matters of the university.
Very offended yesterday, and I feel what they have felt, because they are on hunger strike and somebody comes from nowhere to go and meet the VC and come up with solution. They may have submitted a list of solutions, but the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which these students are talking. Now you should actually, I would have expected that whoever comes to Nehu now, whether they are from NGOs, whether they are from political parties, across party line, they should come and express their sympathy for these students.
The State Congress is yet